Digital marketing in 2026 isn't just about being online, it's about being ahead. In today's fast-paced digital world, brands that embrace change don't just survive, they thrive. Over the past decade, digital marketing has evolved from simple social media posts to data-driven ecosystems powered by AI and automation. Every click, every view, every second counts more than ever. But it's no longer easy. With millions of brands worldwide competing for attention, standing out requires strategy, precision, and technology. The digital space in 2026 is more competitive, yet more rewarding. For businesses, digital marketing is no longer optional, it's essential. From building brand trust to generating leads, from optimizing reach to personalizing customer experiences, digital marketing defines growth. The real game changer in 2026 is artificial intelligence. AI helps marketers predict trends, automate campaigns, optimize ad spending, and even create personalized content at scale. It's not the future, it's the present. Digital marketing in 2026 is smarter, faster, and more data-driven than ever before. If you want your brand to stay ahead, harness the power of strategy and AI today.